This bread buns recipe is what you want to try out. It's easy and simple to come up with. Hello guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. It's Ada here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make simple and easy yet yummy bread buns you love making always. So this bread buns, like I said, is easy to come up with and anyone can make it, okay? So if you've not made bread buns before, this bread buns recipe, you will find it so helpful. So get all-purpose flour. So the next thing you're going to do is to transfer the flour into a sieve and you're going to sift the flour, okay? So this process is very important. You don't want to skip this process. It helps to trap unwanted particles from the flour because you don't want your flour, okay, to have particles in them. So make sure that you sift your flour, like I said, is very important. So next up, you're going to be adding active yeast, okay, it's very important. Then next you're going to add sugar. Next you're going to be adding salt. Then you're going to combine together. So guys, this bread buns recipe is very easy, okay? It's very easy to come up with. Anyone can make these bread buns and get it for the first try. So you're going to add milk, that is powdered milk, and you're going to combine everything to be well mixed, okay? So take your time and make sure that everything is well incorporated. So the next thing I'm going to add is margarine. So once you add the margarine, you're going to be rubbing the margarine in the flour, okay? So this is a very simple snack you can come up with. So this snack can also be called poki or mbalume, depending on what you call it. So people have different names they call it in their location, okay? But it's known as bread buns, and like I said, people call it mbalume, people call it poki, and you might also have, you know, other names you call it in your location. So this is a very easy and simple snack, okay, that is loved by everyone. So if you grew up in Nigeria, okay, you must have come across this particular snack. Okay, so after that you're going to be adding water, okay, in bits, because we want to get a smooth dough. So you're going to be adding water little at a time and going to mix it, okay, until you exhaust your water. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the measurements in the description. Just take your time to watch this video to know and learn how to make this bread buns recipe. So you have different ways of making bread buns. I also have other bread bun recipes on this channel, okay, so you can just check others out. I'm also going to be linking them in this video. Just make sure you check them out and you can try all of them out to know the one you actually want. But I promise you, all the bread bun recipes I have here are super yummy and you love to try all of them out, okay? So don't forget to check them out. So once the dough is formed, they're going to transfer to a flat surface, okay, and knead further. Okay, so this will help the dough get soft, fluffy, and easy to work with, okay? And make sure that you knead until about 15 to 20 minutes, okay, to actually get what you want. It will make the dough soft and fluffy. So guys, like I said, I have other bread buns recipe. Don't forget to check them out. You're going to love them, okay? So if you've been looking for an easy snack and a yummy snack at that, this bread buns recipe is what you want to try out, and you're going to definitely get it from the first try. So this is what we have. This is what our dough is looking like. So transfer into a bowl and you're going to cover for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So after 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to remove, and this is what we have. Our dough is very soft now and easy to work with. So this is how your dough should be looking like, okay? Like I said, the measurement will be in the description so you know the actual measurement of ingredients you're going to add. So now here is our dough, and the next thing we are going to do, okay, is to flatten our dough and give it that shape of the bread buns we used to know, okay? So like I said, if you grew up in Nigeria, you must have come across this snack, okay? This is a kind of snack everyone, including me, enjoy while I was growing up, okay? We used to call it mbadume then, and this snack is so filling. so filling. No matter how little you take this snack, like you get full immediately. So it's a street snack everyone that grew up in Nigeria enjoyed. Like you must have come across this snack. So just give it that shape, okay, because it has different shape. It comes in different shapes. So I'm trying to give it the shape I want. Just take your time, okay, just watch closely and see what I'm doing here. Okay, you fold repeatedly just to give it that bread bun shape. Okay, so if you notice, I use only yeast to make this particular bread buns recipe. I also have a recipe I used baking powder. I also have a recipe I combined, I think, baking powder and yeast. Okay, but this particular one I used this and it was so yummy. It came out so wonderful. Because you guys can see, I'm folding it, I'm repeatedly folding it, okay, to give it that bread buns vibes. Okay, you have to just fold it and fold it till you get what you want. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm done folding and I'm cutting it into my preferred size. Okay, just take your time, you cut the dough into your preferred size. Okay, but it's not good to cut it too big. Okay, what you want to do is to, cut it into a moderate size, not too big, not too small. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what I'm doing here. Guys, this snack is easy to come up with. Anyone can try this snack and get it from the first try. I know you'll be wondering, how is this snack made? You've been seeing this snack, how is it made? Okay, so here you have it. Here you can try it out. Okay, so after cutting it, this is what we have and it's ready to be fried. Okay, so all you're going to do is to place your pan on a stove, then you add your vegetable oil, enough to fry the snack. So this snack is deep fried. Okay, so you need enough vegetable oil to fry the snack. Okay, so once heated up, you're going to be adding the dough into the oil like so. So guys, it's easy to come up with. Anyone can make this snack and get it, like I said, from the first try. And you don't want to fry on a high heat, you want to fry on low medium heat so that it will get well cooked inside. Okay, so just fry on a low medium heat, okay, so that you get what you want. So this snack is easy to come up with and it doesn't consume so much ingredients to have this yummy snack to yourself. So if you have kids, you can just make this snack and store. It can last up to 1 week, okay, if it's stored in an airtight container. So you're going to be flipping, okay, this snack, you're going to be flipping it and it's done when it's golden brown. So guys, this is our bread buns. It's so yummy, it's so delicious, and it's a recipe you want to try out. Like I said, I have other bread buns recipe which you can also check out. You're going to love them and just try every one of them out and you have choices of snack to make for your family and which they are going to enjoy. So as you guys can see, I'm flipping it so that the other side is going to get done. And remember, don't fry on high heat so that it will not get cooked outside and inside will be uncooked. So you want a bread buns that is evenly cooked and well cooked, and to achieve that, like I said, you need to fry on low medium heat. So as you guys can see, our bread buns is beginning to get brown, like it's almost done, as you guys can see here. So guys, you're going to love this recipe. This recipe is so filling. You can use it to enjoy your tea, any drink that works well with you can go with this yummy snack. Okay, so are you trying it out? Like I said, you're going to check the measurement in the description so you know the amount of ingredients to use to achieve this particular yummy bread buns. Okay, so once it's golden brown, the next thing you're going to do is to transfer into a paper towel to drain excess oil. And you're going to leave it to cool. You can also enjoy it while hot. I love enjoying my while hot, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy it while cool, but I prefer enjoying my while hot. So it's an easy and simple yummy snack recipe you want to try out. Okay, so transfer to paper towel, like I said, and you have your bread buns. It's a yummy one and is what you want to try. So this is how to make that street snack you've been wanting to make. It's easy and simple, as you guys saw in this video. Anyone can make these bread buns. If you've not made bread buns, okay, for the first time, just make sure you follow this tutorial and you are definitely going to get it. Okay, and make sure you check out the ingredients so that you can be able to get this particular texture and everything. Okay, so as you guys can see, you're going to be opening the inside and see what we have. Guys, you're going to love the inside of these bread buns. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the inside? Okay, so that mbadume, that poki, this is how to make it. And guys, it was so yummy. It's what you want to try out. Okay, don't forget to check out the recipe measurement in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye.